How do I feel now? I feel fantastic. I feel like I've got my confidence back, I can smile, and I'm very, very happy. Amazing. I felt amazing. Right, my name is Kim, and I'm from South West Wales in a little village called Lamham. I've been having problems with my teeth for years, and I had a big phobia about the dentist. I came on recommendation to Antalya, to Myra Dental through my recommendation from my brother. And I came out last April, and I had 11 implants and teeth removed. And then I've come back 6 months later, and now I've got my permanent teeth. I'm very happy. I'm very happy with everybody at Myra. When I had my removal of my teeth last April and my implants, I was given painkillers and I had no pain at all. My biggest concern was pain. I didn't want to be in pain, and I wasn't in pain. How do I feel now? I feel fantastic. I feel like I've got my confidence back, I can smile, and I'm very, very happy. What surprised me was having the implants and no pain.
No pain.
No pain. This treatment has given me the confidence to smile.
No.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend it. I wish I'd done it years ago. Exceptional. It was very good. Everybody explained everything to me. The treatment that I was going to be having after having the initial X-rays and everything was explained. I had no concerns at all. I can't thank the staff at Myra enough. They have been exceptional, and Dr. Arinda has been fantastic.